Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite fruits, lemons. Lemons are not only delicious, but they also have a ton of health benefits that you may not know about. So, if you want to learn more about this amazing fruit, keep watching. The history of lemons. Lemons are believed to have originated in Southeast Asia, and have been used for thousands of years in various cultures around the world. They were introduced to Europe by the Romans and were used primarily for their medicinal properties. However, it wasn't until the 15th century that lemons began to be grown in large quantities, and they soon became a popular ingredient in cooking and baking. The health benefits of lemons. Helps with hydration. Lemons contain a high amount of water, which can help you stay hydrated. Drinking lemon water is a great way to add some flavor to your water and increase your daily water intake. Aids in digestion. Lemons contain citric acid, which can stimulate the production of digestive juices and enzymes. This can help improve digestion and reduce symptoms of bloating and constipation. Supports heart health. The antioxidants found in lemons can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a contributing factor to heart disease. Additionally, the vitamin C in lemons can help lower blood pressure and improve circulation. Boosts immune function. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C can help increase the production of white blood cells, which help fight off infections and diseases. May improve skin health. The vitamin C and antioxidants found in lemons can help improve skin health by reducing inflammation and preventing damage from free radicals. Additionally, the citric acid in lemons can help exfoliate the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Cooking with lemons. Use lemon juice as a marinade. The acidity in lemon juice can help tenderize meat and add flavor to your marinade. Add lemon zest to baked goods. Lemon zest contains a lot of flavor and can be used to add a bright, citrusy flavor to baked goods like cakes, muffins, and cookies. Use lemon juice to preserve fruits and vegetables. Lemon juice can help prevent fruits and vegetables from browning and can also add flavor to your preserved produce. Beauty hacks with lemons. Use lemon juice to whiten teeth. The acidity in lemon juice can help remove surface stains on teeth and make them appear whiter. However, it's important to be careful when using lemon juice on your teeth, as it can also erode tooth enamel. Use lemon juice to treat dandruff. The acidity in lemon juice can help balance the pH of your scalp and reduce dandruff. Simply apply lemon juice to your scalp and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing it out. Overall, lemons are a versatile and nutritious fruit that can be used in a variety of ways. Whether you're cooking, drinking lemon water, or using it in your beauty routine, lemons can provide a range of health benefits and make your daily routine more enjoyable.